Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add bank account on Revolut. Firstly, open up your Revolut application. So open up your application and log into it. Once I have already logged into your account, so now what you have to do is on the top left here, you will see your profile picture. Click on it, then scroll down and you will see the account option. So click on the account option and then from account here, you will see all accounts. Click on all accounts and here this is where you can add the account that you want to. So choose the currency that you want and just simply click on it. Then this is my account details and my account number and everything. So now you can use this account to make transfer. So you can set it, you can send funds or make any transfer from your other bank accounts to your Revolut account through this by using this account details here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.